Hey loves, I'm Laura Sanchez, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this Halloween look, which is pretty scary but also glamorous at the same time. So stay tuned to watch how I make this look. Start applying a dark eyeshadow base all over your eyelid. You can use a creamy eyeliner. Use a brush to blend the edges of the creamy base. First, tap to soften the products and then slowly drag it upwards. To set the base and darken the color, apply a matte black eyeshadow right on top of the cream base. Use a bigger brush to soften the edges even more. Now apply a metallic purple eyeshadow to your lower lashes. Don't be afraid to apply extra since this look is super dramatic. Take the color to your inner corner meeting the black eyeshadow. For your skin, start with a concealer 3 shades lighter than your skin tone to make your face look a little pale. To blend this, you can use a little bit of your regular foundation. Set the makeup with loose translucent powder. Make your eyebrows spike up to give them a more wild look using eyebrow gel. With a black liquid eyeliner, draw the legs of your spider coming out of the darkest point of the eyeshadow. Using gray eyeshadow and a small brush, draw the shadows that the legs would naturally create over a surface. With the same black eyeliner, start creating more details on the legs to make them look more realistic. Using lash glue, apply red rhinestones to your lower lash and also to your eyelid to give the illusion of spider eyes staring at you. Use black eyeliner to draw little spider fangs and then use white eyeliner to create more detail and shine to them. I also use the white eyeliner on the legs of the spider so I can give them a more realistic look. On the other side of your face, create a spider web using the same black liquid eyeliner and just keep following the shape that I'm showing you. It's basically just lines, straight lines, and then some curved ones. Using the same technique with shadows, we're going to create some straight lines going under the web, and this is going to give us the illusion that the spider web has more dimension and it looks more real. You can draw now some other bugs, cockroaches, more spiders, whatever you want, using also the same black eyeliner. And for the finishing touches, we're gonna add a little bit of bronzer under the cheekbones and around the face just to warm up the skin tone. And finally, add some nude lipstick and black spots around the lips, especially on the outer corners. And this is just to give the look a more creepy vibe. And this is the whole look finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is really easy to make this look. Just follow the little tricks I gave you on highlighting and shadows, and you can create very realistic looks using this technique. I'm Laura Sanchez, and I'll see you next time. Bye!